Delabdesign, we prioritize customer satisfaction by offering growth selling services based on 6 core values: expertise, quality control, customer-centric service, aftercare, economic value, and reliability. We have comprehensive experience. It's all types of tile work, including new construction, older homes, and remodeling projects. By applying the latest growth application techniques, we minimize tile damage and ensure consistent growth depth and color uniformity. Our team continuously participates in training programs to stay up to date with the latest materials and installation methods. We follow strict 3-step quality control process: pre-construction site assessment, real-time monitoring during the installation, post-construction photo verification. This systematic approach enables us to deliver consistent, high-quality results and maintain high customer satisfaction. We offer free on-site consultations, providing detailed inspections within 30 minutes, based on your budget and environment. We propose optimal, tailored solutions. Every project includes a transparent, itemized quote and detailed work records to ensure accountability. We also maintain real-time communication via Kakao Talk channel chat to promptly reflect customer requests. We use high-performance growth materials from trusted global and domestic brands like Wellproduct, Hardex, and Nitecrate. All products are certified for antibacteria, anti-mold, and safety complaints. Our use of advanced tools such as vac vacuums, sanding machines, and precision application devices ensures clean and accurate installation. We provide offshore contracts with clearly defined warranty periods to ensure service quality. In the event of any issues, we offer prompt after-sales service. We also share custom maintenance guides to help you manage your space effectively over time. We operate with a transparent and efficient pricing model, maintaining strong cost competitiveness. Our use of durable materials and expert workmanship helps extend the lifespan of the grout, minimizing the need for frequent rework. Clean, where applied growth also contribute to increase the real estate value. With extensive experience across residential and commercial projects and consistently high customer satisfaction, Delabdesign has built a strong reputation in the industry. We actively reflect customer feedback to continuously enhance both our service quality and technical capabilities. If you have any questions about growth selling, feel free to reach out. We are here to deliver the most effective solutions for your